Today we're going to do clock shop tools that include pliers and cutters. This is an active working clock shop. I have 3 benches and 4 or 5 other workspaces, so I have tools spread out throughout the shop. I'm going to start off with pliers. Number 1, this is a pair of mechanic pliers. Never use these in a clock shop. They're wrong. They're not good. They're trash. Now, I have 2 pairs of parallel pliers. These are actually parallel fishing pliers. You can buy these at any fishing supply store. And the reason that is, see, the jaws go parallel rather than cut a V. So you get equal pressure when you're squeezing something together. And I use those for pressing bushings into plates. And I have 2 different sizes. These you can buy in the clock supply catalog from Time Savers. Must-have tool. Then I have specialty pliers. These are pliers that I've taken and altered for my own purpose. Now, these used to be a round nose plier, but I noticed it's got a out of focus. Hang on. Let's put a piece of paper down and see if we can get this to focus better. On the top, I've cut a groove in these, and they're very thin at the point. This is for certain applications where I need to reach in and twist something. Then I have another pair that I've cut little notches into. This only fits one particular problem, but you need to have those. Then I've got these are for straightening escape wheels. When the gear tooth on the escape wheel is bent, I've ground these down to where there's a very, very sharp point, and I can grab hold of it and bend the tip of an escape tooth. This is another specialty pair that I've ground. It fits a certain application. I may not use this for once in every couple of years, but when I need them, I need them. Here's the most important set of tools I have. Round nose pliers. I've got 2 different sizes. They're totally round. And with this, I can turn a piece of metal into a complete perfect circle. You can't do that with regular pliers. These are round nose pliers, but they're got a flat on the inside. Another specialty pair. Just a small pair of needle nose with a cutter. Long nose pliers, so you can reach way inside and bend something. Another pair of long nose pliers. A small pair of needle nose with cutters. These are flat, big, wide, flat pliers. Some of these tools, by the way, like this particular one, this belonged to my grandfather and dates back to around 1920. As does that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. These were all my grandfather's tools. And this is another one. This is like a duckbill plier. Notice it has a box joint rather than a lap joint. They don't make these kind of pliers anymore. Then we have needle nose pliers. I've got many of those, all different sizes. They're scattered everywhere throughout the shop, so that when I basically put my hand down and there's a pair of needle nose pliers. Then we have big industrial lineman style pliers with a cutter. Sometimes I really need to cut something strong. And there's two sizes of those. More long nose pliers. This is adjustable jaw pliers. I've got all these different sizes. You never know when you need to really bend something. Now these are my cutters. To start with, this is the best cutter made. This is made by Milwaukee. Good steel. It doesn't cut the jaws when you cut something. I've got 4 pairs of these. And again, these are scattered throughout the shop. And then I have a place where I hang up the big cutters so that I always know where there's a big cutter available. More cutters. You see, sometimes the jaws, they'll get all chewed up on the inside and don't become, sorry for the out of focus. See, there's a hole there. You can see daylight through it. These are all cutters. So that's pliers and cutters.